Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fine, and in this video I am going to be doing the unboxing and we shall have a first look, and I'll also give my initial impressions of my new laptop, that is the ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop. I purchased this laptop from Flipkart during the sale a few weeks ago, and I've been using this for quite some time now, and this is my unboxing and initial impressions video. And the actual price of the product is around 1,10,000 rupees, but during the festive season, because of the car discount and some discounts that was going on, I got the product for around 85,000, which I think is a great deal. Currently, this product is present on Flipkart for a price of around 1,02,000 or something, and I'll be leaving the link for this product in the description if you want to buy the product for yourself. And the model that I am doing the unboxing is the Core i7 12th generation model, and this comes with 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, Windows 11 Home out of the box, and it has a dedicated graphic card which is NVIDIA's RTX3050, which is a 4 GB of dedicated graphic card, and I've purchased the black color variant. This product also comes with another variant which is present on ASUS official website, the link for which is also present in the description. Now let's go ahead and check out the box contents. This is the first thing itself, which is a 180 watt power adapter, which is thick and big, and if you want to charge this laptop with a thin chargers, that is also possible because this laptop supports up to 100 watt of Type-C charging. This laptop also comes in another color which is moonlight white, and also it comes in another model which is a Core i5 model. So if you want to go for a Core i5 model, you can go for that as well, which is available on the ASUS website itself, which is a little cheaper than the Core i7 model. And this laptop has an aluminium top cover, so the top panel is kind of metal, and the underneath surface or the keyboard area or the behind surface is all made up of plastics. So these are the ports. We have the charging port, the Ethernet port, HDMI port, Type-C, two Type-C ports we have, and we have one USB Type-A port, and also we have a headphone jack. And on this bottom surface we have this rubber pad, and there is a certain texture that is present on the bottom surface, and the bottom surface is actually good that it is present of plastic because it helps in heat dissipation. And there are these indicator lights that is present on the laptop as well. And you can easily open the back surface, and this is of course upgradable. If you want to upgrade the RAM or anything else like SSD or your Wi-Fi card or something, you can do that as well because it can be easily upgraded. So this is the charger of the laptop, which is a 180 watt power brick, which is thick and huge, and with the help of this charger you can charge the laptop from 0 to 100% in around 2 hours. And you can even use a USB Type-C based charger which can charge this laptop up to 100 watt of charging. The laptop is military grade MIL STD standard certified for durability, and the build quality of the laptop is also pretty good, and the laptop's weight is exactly 2 kilograms. And this laptop actually comes with a full-sized keyboard including the number pad on the right side, and the WASD keys have the white demarcation which gives that gamer vibe to it. And there are 4 buttons on the top of the keyboard which is used for volume, mic, and the ASUS Armory crate. The display of the laptop is a 15.6 inch full HD display which comes to a resolution of 1920x1080 and has 250 nits of brightness, and comes with a brilliant 144 Hz high refresh rate. It's a 16:9 panel, guys, and it has an anti-glare certification as well, so it doesn't give that glaring effect when you're watching it. And it is a 62.5% sRGB panel, and it has around 47.34% Adobe RGB levels. And it's an IPS level display, also comes with certain features like adaptive sync, ASUS Mux switch, and Optimus display technologies. Overall, the screen quality is pretty good for indoor usage and casual video editing purposes. If you're into high-level video editing and color correction or something, you might have to consider the 100% sRGB model, which comes with 300 Hz high refresh rate also. Now coming to the performance of this laptop, it comes with a Core i7 12th generation 12650H CPU, which has 2 GHz, 12 MB caching and has 8 cores, which is 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. The graphic card that is present in this laptop is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX3050 laptop GPU, which is a 75-watt GPU and has 4 GB of graphics memory. This machine is very good for high intensity tasks like machine learning, deep learning, data analysis, building mobile apps using emulator on Android Studio, or building apps on Flutter, or any web applications as well, running like 50-60 tabs on Google Chrome and multiple browsers and multiple different applications. This laptop just flies through everything. And it is also suitable for mid-range gaming up to 1080p at good frame rates like around 80 to 90 FPS. The RAM on this laptop is a 16GB DDR5 high performance RAM, and it comes with NVMe SSD of 1TB. And the laptop also has the very famous ASUS Mux switch, which automatically switches the graphics between the integrated GPU and the dedicated GPU based on the necessity of the task. I have played a few games on this laptop and used this laptop for development, for daily office usage, and using Google Chrome and other browsers with at least 50 to 60 tabs in the last few weeks, and the performance of this laptop has been outstanding. Absolutely no hiccups whatsoever. It boots under 10 seconds, stays cool during light usage, and fan speeds are also quite manageable even during the heavy usage. It comes with second generation anti-dust technology and has 4 exhaust vents and 5 heat pipes, which is helpful for proper heat dissipation. But one thing to note is the full performance mode only comes when the laptop is plugged in, and that full performance mode is called the turbo mode, and all those settings will be present in this ASUS Armory Crate application. And when the laptop is on the battery, you will not get the full high power mode, which is the turbo mode. The maximum mode that you get in the battery is the performance mode. And on battery, if you turn on the performance mode and start using this laptop, the battery life of this laptop will die in under like 2 hours or something. Best mode that is present for this laptop is keeping the laptop in silent mode and keeping the GPU in the optimized setting. Then you can easily get around 5 to 6 hours of battery life during the normal usage. And if you're having a charger with you, then you can keep this laptop on the turbo mode for high performance. Now coming over to the display of this laptop, you can just take a look at yourself. How is the quality of the display? I have been using this laptop indoors for most of my usage. I rarely take this laptop out. So for me, the 250 nits of brightness is quite manageable. But if you're someone who uses this laptop in the outdoor conditions for more time, then you might have to, choose a different model or different laptop which has more nits in terms of the screen brightness. But the quality of screen is sufficient for my usage because I use it for web development and other tasks which are related to project management or which are related to software development or something like that. So for me, for that kind of usage, this laptop is sufficient. And also I'm not a heavy gamer, and also I'm not a high profile content creator where I would need like extremely, accurate displays or something. So if you're someone who's looking for an extremely accurate display, maybe this is not the model for you. Now coming over to the speakers on this laptop. This laptop comes with 2 downward firing speakers which supports high-res audio and Dolby Atmos on headphones. It also has AI noise cancellation technology as well, and the quality of the speakers are just okay. Take a look for yourself and be the judge.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I also have a MacBook Pro 16 inches 2019 model which comes with superb set of speakers, and I'll also be showing how it sounds now so that it will become a comparison of MacBook Pro speakers with the ASUS TUF F15 speakers. And the MacBook speaker actually beats the ASUS speaker in all departments, be it the loudness, bass, depth, clarity and everything.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now coming for the miscellaneous aspect of the things, that is, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6 for better connectivity, and the trackpad of the laptop is also quite good, and it comes with a 720p camera which is really bad, and it does not have any Windows Hello or fingerprint or facial recognition technology, guys. And the laptop comes with Windows 11 out of the box, and after setting up the machine I got around 10 to 12 GB of updates, and after doing the update the laptop has been performing supremely well without any bugs on Windows 11, and I have been thoroughly using Windows 11 and I've completely loved the usage of Windows 11 on this laptop in the last few weeks. That is pretty much it for my unboxing and initial impressions of my ASUS TUF F15 laptop. It is really good in my last few weeks of usage, and I'll be bringing a couple of more videos on this laptop where I'll be explaining like what are the first few things that you will have to do when you're buying this kind of laptops, and also I'll be bringing a full in-depth review of using this laptop for a longer period of time. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.